As you can see, all that's back in and back together. So now we just want to throw the covers back on. These are really simple. If you put a rubber glove here, which I highly recommend, you can pull that out of the way. Now there's little fingers here on the end that you're just going to fit back in on the end right there, just like that, and lay this back down into place. So get that down just like that. Go ahead and put your plastic rivet back in, quarter turn on all the top, do both sides, and you're done. Looks really good. I am really impressed with the build quality of this kit. Looks fantastic. Can't wait to fire the car up just to make sure that everything's working great. But this really was an easy, simple install and looks absolutely fantastic. All right, so you're all done. Go ahead and clean up, put your tools away. All right, guys, all done. And as you can see, this really is an easy project and something you can easily do at home with a few simple tools. There's no reason why you would have to have a shop do work like this, and I highly encourage you to do it yourself. Looks fantastic and adds a little bit of power, adds some sound, adds some great looks when you make a choice of something like this carbon fiber, which looks fantastic. So thank you so much to AWE. I am really and sincerely impressed with the build quality of this kit, and it looks absolutely fantastic. I can't wait for you to see it if you do the same. I think you're going to be equally impressed. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. It makes a huge difference for me and my channel. Please click subscribe and the little alarm bell. I would really appreciate it. I have a ton of projects coming. You're not going to believe it. Just incredible amount of work this coming year. And I look forward to seeing you on my next video.